Hello everybody, my name is Christopher Harsana Jasa and my student identification number is 1931020 and I'm from System Information Study Program. So today I want to respond a certain video in TED.com that the topic is about team building. So the title of the talk is How Machine Learning Can Teach Us to Build More Effective Team by Drew Humphrey. I found this video very inspiring. Humphrey is a former Marine Corps officer and he spent 8 years in the military and was deployed twice to Afghanistan. The first as a manager for his unit combat operating center and then as a transportation platoon commander, and he joined UPS after graduating business school in 2015 and now work in okay. So I believe the best way to lead and be successful in complex environment it's by powering other people, and we move totally more automatic than machine. This kind leadership is more important. I believe the best model to do this is found a surprising connection between Marines doing or machine learning. So these quotes I picked from Drew Humphrey. I quite like it. Okay, so by empowering other people will make the person more enthusiastic in his work. Then we move totally automatic the machine, because the machine would work if it's already filed in data. And finding a surprising connection is the best way to make your team growing. Okay, next, it's when the leader clearly define what success look like, to give others the flexibility to be creative about how they get there, but that what need to happen. And I was humbled by what happened next, because when I go out of the way, I unlock human potential that I didn't know existed. Okay, so this is a quote I picked from the video too. The ability to get flexibility to be creative to your team is a sign of a mature leader, but before giving them flexibility, make sure your vision and the other people is on the same page. Okay, next, my initial leadership instinct about control were wrong, and what I learned was that I didn't need better equipment or more control. I need well-trained, he said. Okay, so I agree with him. He said I didn't need better equipment or more control. For example, if you have a better equipment but you are not trained well, it will not be different from before. But if you are well trained, it definitely different. Okay, next. It's machine learning that can give us 3 lessons from how to more effectively empowering our people, and I show you what I mean. So one of the great insights with machine learning is that you can actually get a lot more out of an algorithm by not expressly telling it how to do something. Instead, you give it a goes a way to learn and let it make decision without a lot of intervention. This sounds incredibly human that to me. As leader, I think we need to foster this some kind of freedom for our people. So the three lessons to learn, the first one is purpose over the process, and the second one early and lifelong learning, and third one is bias for action. uh, and what skill CEO want to most for their employee and very hard to find. Okay, so the answer is leadership, problem solving, adaptability, creativity and innovation, and the last soft skill. It's because we realize that their skill bring unique human quality that can be replaced by technology. So that's all my opinion to the talk, and thanks for watching. See you.